Hello budding artists and creative minds. Welcome to my channel watching you. Today, I'll be drawing and walking you through the character Horror Simon from Incredibox Sprunki. As I delve into the fascinating world of Sprunki Incredibox, I'm drawn to the complex and intriguing character of Simon, also known as Yellow. As the overall deuteragonist of the now-cancelled mod, Simon plays a dual role, serving as the main protagonist in normal mode and a major antagonist in horror mode. What strikes me about Simon is his striking appearance. His bright yellow hue, paired with white eyes and black pupils, gives him a calm and serene expression. The addition of a yellow tuft on top of his head, along with a pair of antennae and horns, makes him a visually appealing character. His design is reminiscent of Funbots, with the antennae being a notable similarity. However, Simon's appearance takes a drastic turn in horror mode. His eyes disappear, replaced by a heavily shaded and darker shade of yellow. The area where his eyes once were seems to be transformed into nostrils, giving him a more feral appearance. A wide, menacing grin spreads across his face, revealing his gums and showcasing his razor-sharp teeth. First I was intimidated by Simon's horror mode teeth, which appeared complicated and overlapping. However, when I zoomed in for a closer look, I realized that they weren't as daunting as they seemed. To tackle this challenge, I started by drawing the center tooth and then worked my way to the right side, mirroring the same pattern on the left side. To my surprise, the teeth began to take shape, resembling a series of rectangular, white, and bright chewing gum-like structures. I couldn't help but chuckle at the thought of Simon's impeccable oral hygiene. His teeth looked so clean and well-maintained that it seemed as though he must have brushed them twice a day. As fans of Horror Simon, I think it's only fitting that we follow his example and prioritize our own oral health. After all, who wouldn't want to emulate the habits of this terrifying yet endearing character? So, let's make sure to brush our teeth regularly and show our appreciation for Horror Simon's commitment to cleanliness. As I began to color Simon, I decided to use a vibrant, bright yellow to bring his entire body to life. To add some contrast and definition, I used black to carefully draw his eyes, nostrils, and mouth. I used a Faber-Castell black color pencil to transform Simon's bright, sparkling teeth into a darker, more horror-like appearance. This also helped to dull the white sparkle of his teeth, giving them a more ominous and menacing look. Simon's personality in horror mode is shrouded in mystery, but his appearance and actions speak volumes. It's implied that he becomes a blind, feral sprunky, driven by instinct and a primal urge to survive. His brutal attack on Brud, where he bites off almost half of his head, is a testament to his newfound ferocity. To complete the drawing, I recommend using a black gel pen to create a border around the image. This technique will make the picture appear bold and embossed, adding a professional touch to your artwork. Feel free to apply this technique to any picture or character you draw, but I suggest reserving it for illustrations and avoiding its use for natural scenery drawings, where a softer, more subtle approach may be more suitable. If you are watching my videos till now, then thank you so much. See you soon in my next video. Bye for now.